All of you welcome again. This session is about preparation of profit volume graph or simply PV graph. Okay. Apart from simple break-even chart, there are other forms of break-even chart like contribution break-even chart, cash break-even chart, control break-even chart, analytical break-even chart, and profit volume graph. Means these different types of break-even chart that we have to learn, and the two important types are simple break-even chart and profit volume graph, the first and the last one. And which one you are drawing, which one you are preparing, that depends upon the purpose for which you are preparing this graph. So if you want to have a detailed understanding about the cash aspect, then you will go for the cash break-even chart. Likewise, the type you prepare depends upon your purpose. Okay, from your examination point of view, you have to at least you have to learn the first one, simple break-even chart, and the last one, profit volume graph. And today we go through the preparation of a profit volume graph. Normally we call it as a PV graph. So what is a profit volume graph? PV graph, that is a simplified form of break-even chart which shows the relationship between profit and volume of sales. Means profit or loss at different levels of sales can be seen directly from the profit volume graph. In a break-even chart, we have to draw total cost line, total sales line, fixed cost line, and all these things. Okay, but in a PV graph, we have to plot two things. First one is the different levels of activities, means the different levels of sales and profit or loss at these different levels of sales. These two things are there in a profit volume graph. It is a simplified form of break-even chart. Likewise, it is a simple thing. It is very simple than the simple break-even chart itself, right? So while constructing the profit volume graph, you have to follow certain steps. Means there are some procedures for preparing a PV graph also. Here, sales in volume or sales in value is presented on your x-axis. Okay, number of units to be sold or number of units sold. Like the value of sales, that is plotted on your x-axis as usual. Okay, profit is plotted above the x-axis and loss is plotted below the x-axis. And these two things are plotted on y-axis. കേൾക്കുമ്പോൾ ഒത്തിരി ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടാണെന്ന് തോന്നുമെങ്കിലും സോ സിമ്പിൾ, വെരി ഈസി. അത് വരയ്ക്കുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്തായാലും മനസ്സിലാകും. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ പ്രോഫിറ്റ് ഈസ് പ്ലോട്ടഡ് on y-axis, loss is also plotted on y-axis, but profit is above the x-axis and loss is below the x-axis. These two things are drawn on y-axis. Okay, the profit and losses at different levels are plotted and the points joined by a line called profit line. Means profit line is drawn from fixed cost to the maximum of profit, maximum level of profit. From the maximum level of profit, we draw a line to the fixed cost. അങ്ങനെ നമ്മൾ പ്രോഫിറ്റ് ലൈന് ഡ്രോ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ the break-even point is where the profit line cuts the horizontal sales line. Break-even point is where the profit line that cuts the horizontal sales line. Okay, so profit line is drawn from the maximum level of profit to your fixed cost. Where that line cuts your sales line, that is the break-even point. Okay, we are having a question here that is given here. Draw a PV graph from the following. Units produced 60,000, selling price per unit rupees 15, variable cost per unit rupees 10, and fixed cost is rupees 1,50,000. From this information, you have to prepare a PV graph, profit volume graph. Okay, so first of all, we have to calculate what is the maximum level of profit. Here the maximum number of units produced or sold by the concern is 60,000. So whenever the company is selling 60,000 units at the rate of rupees 15, what is the profit? That is the maximum level of profit. ഇപ്പോൾ 60,000 യൂണിറ്റ്സ് സെല് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ മാക്സിമം പ്രോഫിറ്റ് വിൽ ബി 1,50,000. അതെങ്ങനെയാണ് അറൈവ് ചെയ്തത്? ഇഫ് യു ആർ സെല്ലിംഗ് 60,000 യൂണിറ്റ്സ്, your sales will be 60,000 into 15. Your variable cost is 10 per unit. If you are deducting that variable cost from your sales, you will get contribution. So your contribution is 3 lakh rupees. Your contribution per unit is 5 rupees. 15 minus 10. 15 rupees selling price minus variable cost 10. 5 rupees is your contribution for 1 unit. 5 into 60,000. 3 lakhs is your total contribution. From the contribution, you have to meet your fixed cost rupees 1,50,000. After meeting 1,50,000 fixed cost, your profit is rupees 1,50,000. So your maximum profit when you sell 60,000 units will be rupees 1,50,000. Okay. So here you are given with the profit volume graph. So what are the procedures to be followed? First of all, you have to draw the sales line. Sales can be plotted in volume or in value. Here നമ്മൾ നമ്പർ ഓഫ് യൂണിറ്റ്സ് നമുക്ക് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ 60,000 ആണ് എന്ത് മാക്സിമം നമ്പർ ഓഫ് യൂണിറ്റ്സ്. സോ ഹിയർ വി പ്ലോട്ട് ദി നമ്പർ ഓഫ് യൂണിറ്റ്സ് on the x-axis, number of units produced or sold by the concern. 0 units to 0 from it is starting from 0 and it is up to 60,000 units. Okay. So units are plotted. Units of sales volume is plotted on the x-axis. That is clear to you. Then the profit is plotted above the x-axis. Here the profit is plotted. Profit is given here. That is plotted above the x-axis on y-axis. This is y-axis that you can see here. White is that is plotted on y-axis. That is above the x-axis. Maximum profit is 1,50,000. Up to that it is plotted 50,000, 1 lakh and 1,50,000. 1,50,000 is your maximum profit. Your fixed cost is rupees 1,50,000. Whenever you are producing nothing, 0 units manufacture ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴും you are having a loss of rupees 1,50,000 because your fixed cost is 1,50,000. That will be there even if you are not manufacturing anything. അപ്പോൾ 0 units manufacture ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങളുടെ ലോസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എത്രയാണ്? 1,50,000. That loss is plotted on the y-axis. Here in the y-axis below x-axis. So here it is plotted. The loss is plotted below the x-axis on y-axis. Maximum loss എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 1,50,000 ആയിരിക്കും whenever you are manufacturing 0 units. അപ്പോൾ 0 from 0 we draw the y-axis for plotting loss. ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ മാക്സിമം 60,000 യൂണിറ്റ്സ് മാനുഫാക്ചർ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 1,50,000 ഈസ് യുവർ മാക്സിമം പ്രോഫിറ്റ്. ഓക്കെ. തേർഡ് സ്റ്റെപ്പ് എന്തായിരുന്നു? The profit and losses at different levels are plotted and the points are joined by a line called profit line. So here you are drawing the profit line. Profit line is plotted from the maximum profit to the maximum loss. Maximum loss means your fixed cost. So from fixed cost 1,50,000 you are drawing a line to your maximum profit 1,50,000. This profit line is cutting here in 30,000, cutting the sales line at 30,000 units. So 30,000 units is your break-even point. Okay, that is the break-even point. So the break-even point is where the profit line cuts the horizontal sales line. Clear, no? So margin of safety that we already discussed. Margin of safety means the sales over break-even sale. Break-even sale എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 30,000 യൂണിറ്റ്സ് ആണ്. 60,000 യൂണിറ്റ്സ് ആണ് ടോട്ടൽ കമ്പനി സെല് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ 60,000 സെയിൽസ് നിന്ന് 30,000 സെയിൽ ബ്രേക്ക്-ഇവൻ സെയിൽ മൈനസ് ചെയ്ത എക്സസ് വരുന്ന 30,000 ഈസ് യുവർ മാർജിൻ ഓഫ് സേഫ്റ്റി. സോ 30,000 യൂണിറ്റ്സ് is your margin of safety. So this is your profit area and this is your loss area and this is your break even point. These are the things that we have to discuss. You can calculate the profit or loss at different levels of sale. You can see the profit or loss at different levels of sales directly from this graph. If you want to compute profit at 50,000 units, you can go for this. Okay. When you draw a line to this profit line, that will be your profit at 50,000. Likewise, you can compute loss also. If you are manufacturing 20,000 units, what will be your loss? That you can calculate directly. That can be seen directly from this profit volume graph. Okay, that is all about profit volume graph. In short, PV graph is a simplified form of break-even chart which shows the relationship between profit and volume of sales. And here, the break-even point is where the profit line cuts the sales line, and profit line is a line that is drawn from your fixed cost to the maximum level of profit. Hope it is clear to you. Okay, that's all about profit volume graph, so that we can stop now.